Hi friends and welcome back. The word that we are going to learn today is dilemma. Its spell is D-I-L-E-M-M-A, dilemma. So let's pronounce with me, dilemma, dilemma. Dilemma is a noun, which means a state of uncertainty or perplexity, especially as requiring a choice between equally unfavorable options. In simple words, dilemma is the situation in which a person has to choose between things that are all bad or unsatisfactory. The word's origin is from Greek, in which di refers to double or two, and lemma refers to assumption or proposition. So collectively, dilemma means double proposition. It was originally a technical term of logic, but we use it now for any time you have a problem with no satisfactory solution. If you are at the mall choosing between red or blue socks, that's not really a dilemma. But if you have to choose whether to save your cat or your dog from a burning building, that's an awful dilemma. Dilemma is a tough choice. When you are in a difficult situation and each option looks equally bad, you're in a dilemma. Although some commentators insist that dilemma be restricted to instances in which the alternatives to be chosen are equally unsatisfactory, their concern is misplaced. The unsatisfactoriness of the options is usually a matter of how the author presents them. What is distressing or painful about a dilemma is having to make a choice one does not want to make. The Urdu meaning of dilemma is dohri mushkil, tazabzub ya go-mago ki halat. Incidentally, the word possesses a list of synonyms. Some of them are quandary, predicament, double bind, and plight. However, the antonyms are graze, cinch, duck soup, and snap. Now let's have a look on its usage in a sentence. The first example is, he was faced with the dilemma of having to tell on his best friend or not telling and getting blamed himself. The second example we have is, our dilemma is that we hate change and love it at the same time. What we really want is for things to remain the same but get better. Moreover, the word can also be used in the current pandemic situation, such as, the Prime Minister of Pakistan said that Pakistan faced a dilemma where it has to make the most difficult decisions to create an intricate balance amidst the lockdown and stop its poor from starving to death. So that's all for today. Hope you people are getting benefit from this platform and are certainly practicing the words on daily basis. So see you tomorrow with a new word. Stay with us and have a blissful day.